looking. I can't see the bike.
Let's see.
And over there.
It's not back there.
Now we're going this way.
And over there. Surprise. Surprise.
That's trash, buddy.
No, that's the trash.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
right. I can keep looking. I spy my toys.
No, I don't think it's in there. It's bigger.
That's a little, not big,
Come on.
not big one. I did this one.
Come on. Out of here. It's not in here. Go look somewhere
I'm
else.
looking. I want to get some football.
This way, son.
This way.
You looking?
Oh,
Okay.
is that the light on?
I'm looking. And over here.
No, it's too big to be in there.
Oh,
That's not in there, buddy.
No.
Oh, it's a house.
Yeah,
Let
okay.
me go open it and you open
No, the surprise isn't in that house. No.
It's keep
Look
looking.
somewhere else.
Looking.
You already went up there. You gotta come back. This way.
Bye.
Did you look in the bathrooms?
Yes.
Let's look in the bathroom.
I spy. Surprise.
Did you spy a surprise?
No,
No. Okay. Let's go look in the other bathroom.
I was looking in other bag.
Where's the other bathroom? This
I
way.
didn't know. I didn't know another bag was.
It's this
That's
way.
right there in my room. The what? But that's party right there.
Let's see.
Also a surprise.
Do you see a surprise?
No.
Come out here and see. Not in the trash. It's too big.
I
Did you look in
can't-
here?
I can't
Did
look.
you look on the floor? Look on the floor.
Oh, I can't look.
Your mother's child.
Surprise.
Yeah. What's that?
The Easter Bunny.
And what else?
And the eggs.
Yeah. We gotta open it.
What's this? Oh, it's too heavy right there.
Is it?
Yeah, pick it
Let's
up,
see.
son. It's not too heavy.
It is heavy.
You gotta stand up. You gotta stand up.
Stand up and pick it up. Let's take it to the living room.
It's not too heavy.
It's heavy.
No, it's not. You're carrying it.
Ooh.
Oh. That's a big surprise.
I see it ground.
Yeah, you did see it on the ground.
Oh, you kick the soccer ball, not the football. You're throwing. You kick the soccer ball.
Let's go take it to the couch.
It's in the couch. Let's see
Let's see.
what's in there.